Avocado, hibiscus flower, amaranth, chili peppers, and tomato are foods that go beyond their flavor and texture. In this video, we will discover the nutritional value of each of them and how they can enrich our daily diet, providing benefits that range from regulating cholesterol to strengthening the immune system. Join us on this journey through the world of nutrition and discover how to incorporate these foods into your daily diet to improve your health and well-being.
Before we begin, if you're passionate about taking control of your well-being through natural remedies and nutrition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. That way, you'll never miss our latest insights on achieving a healthier, happier you.
Avocado. We inaugurate with El Avocado, that green and creamy jewel that has conquered palates around the world. It has a fascinating story to tell. Originally from the fertile lands of Central America, this fruit has been an integral part of the region's diet and culture since time immemorial. Over the centuries, the avocado has traveled across continents and cultures, gaining followers and admirers in every corner of the planet. And who could resist its incredible nutritional properties? It's like a balm of goodness for our body. With its richness in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals, avocado is the perfect ally for a balanced diet full of energy. Did you know that it helps regulate cholesterol and promotes cardiovascular health? It's just amazing. And let's not stop at the ways to enjoy it, from the classic guacamole to its use in salads, sauces, and even desserts. Avocado is versatile and delicious in any presentation. Its soft texture and unique flavor make it the star ingredient in countless recipes, always adding a touch of freshness and vitality. So let's celebrate the avocado, that green treasure that gives us flavor, health, and joy in every bite. It's Jamaica flower. The Jamaica flower, with its vibrant color and exotic flavor, invites us to immerse ourselves in a world of history and health. Originally from Africa, this flower has traveled through time and space, carrying with it a rich medicinal and culinary tradition. Since ancient times, the Jamaica flower has been appreciated for its uses in both medicine and gastronomy, standing out for its ability to promote cardiovascular health and control blood pressure thanks to its powerful antioxidant properties. It's like a magic potion for our well-being, and we cannot underestimate its versatility in the kitchen. From comforting infusions to refreshing drinks, the Jamaica flower offers us a wide range of options to delight our palate and nourish our body. Did you know that it can also be used to add a touch of color and flavor to a variety of dishes? It is the secret star of creative cooking. Whether in the form of hot tea on a cold winter night or as a star ingredient in a summer cocktail, Jamaican flower never ceases to surprise and satisfy our senses. So let's raise our cups and toast the Jamaica flower, that treasure of nature that gives us health and flavor in every sip and bite. Amaranth. Amaranth, that ancient treasure of American civilizations, invites us to explore its fascinating history and its impact on modern culture and cuisine. Since ancient times, this sacred seed has been revered for its unparalleled nutritional value and culinary versatility. It is like a gift from nature that continues to surprise the world with its greatness. By delving into its history, we discovered its vital role in the diet of ancient civilizations such as the Aztecs and the Mayans, who considered it a sacred food. Today, amaranth is experiencing an exciting resurgence in modern cuisine, captivating chefs and food lovers alike with its unique flavor and incredible nutritional potential. Did you know that amaranth is an exceptional source of proteins, minerals, and essential vitamins? It's like a food superhero that boosts our health and well-being. From salads full of vitality to comforting soups, amaranth gives us infinite possibilities to enrich our diet and delight our palate. Plus, its versatility even extends to desserts and breads, where it adds a touch of nutrition and flavor. Who would have thought that one little seed could contain so much culinary power and potential? It's time to welcome amaranth into our kitchens and celebrate its ancient legacy as a treasure of nature that continues to light our path to a healthier, more delicious life. Chilies. Chili peppers, those vibrant and spicy treasures of the kitchen, take us on an exciting journey through the various varieties that give life to Mexican and world cuisine. From mild jalapenos to intense habaneros, Each variety offers a unique flavor experience that awakens our senses and immerses us in a world of exciting culinary possibilities. Furthermore, its importance in Mexican culture and cuisine is undeniable, being a fundamental element in traditional dishes that celebrate the richness of the country's cuisine. And what can we say about the cultivation and production process in Mexico, where chiles are grown with passion and care, guaranteeing their quality and freshness in every bite? It's like a symphony of flavors that are lovingly grown and shared with the entire world. But not only are they delicious, they are also incredibly nutritious, packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and capsaicin, that substance that awakens our senses and stimulates our immune system. From stimulating the immune system to improving digestion, chili peppers are true superfoods that fill us with vitality and well-being. And in the kitchen, its versatility is impressive, whether in sauces that awaken the boldest flavors, marinades that enhance the richness of each dish, or marinades that transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. It's time to add a spicy touch to our lives and immerse ourselves in the exciting world of chili peppers, where each bite is an explosion of flavor and joy. Tomato. The tomato, that colorful and juicy jewel that Mother Nature gives us, invites us to explore its roots in America and the wide range of varieties that adorn our markets and tables. From the classic red tomatoes, juicy and full of flavor, to the tiny and explosive cherry tomatoes, each variety provides us with a unique culinary experience that delights our senses and awakens our creativity in the kitchen. But they are not only delicious, they are also incredibly nutritious, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that strengthen our bodies and protect our health. From preventing cardiovascular diseases to fighting cancer, tomatoes are true superheroes in our daily diet, and what better way to enjoy them than a delicious variety of dishes? From refreshing salads that celebrate their freshness to sauces that add a touch of flavor to every bite, tomatoes are the undisputed star on any food lover's table. And what can we say about homemade juices and preserves that allow us to enjoy their flavor all year round? It's time to immerse yourself in the exciting world of the tomato and discover the infinite diversity of flavors and possibilities that this humble but powerful fruit has to offer. Pumpkin. A culinary and cultural treasure rooted in Mexican identity, pumpkin not only delights our palates with its unique flavor and versatility in the kitchen, but also offers an abundance of health benefits. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, such as vitamin A, iron, and potassium, pumpkin strengthens the immune system, promotes eye health, and contributes to heart health. In addition, its low-calorie content makes it an ideal option for maintaining a healthy weight. In Mexico, pumpkin occupies a special place in gastronomy, from classic dishes like mole to traditional desserts like pumpkin candy. Its presence in festivities, such as the Day of the Dead, reflects its deep cultural roots and its importance in the daily life of the Mexican people. In short, avocado, hibiscus flower, amaranth, chili peppers, and tomato are foods that are not only delicious, but are also incredibly nutritious. By incorporating them into our daily diet, we can improve our health and well-being significantly. And so much for today's video. I hope you found it useful and informative. Remember that at Goodness Nature we are here to accompany you on your way to a healthier and fuller life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell so you don't miss any new video. You can also leave us a comment in the section below to share your opinions, questions, or suggestions. Together, we can build a healthier and happier community.